A refund marked as pending in Klover usually means the merchant has started the reversal, but the bank and payment network haven't fully processed the return yet. By the end of this, you'll know how to track where your refund is stuck, what pending actually means in Klover, and what steps can help it update faster. Start by opening the Klover app and tapping the transaction that shows the pending refund. If it still shows pending, the refund is in progress but hasn't cleared through all processing systems yet. Next, check the original transaction tied to the refund. Refunds cannot fully complete until the original purchase is fully settled by both the merchant and the bank. If the original charge is still processing, the refund will stay pending automatically. Now, check your account balance and transaction history. Some refunds update the available balance before the transaction status fully updates in the app. That creates the impression of a delay even when the money is already moving. Next, check your merchant's order history or email receipt. Some merchants delay issuing refunds until they batch process returns, which slows everything down before it reaches your bank. Now, make sure your bank connection inside Klover is working properly. If the sync is broken or outdated, it can make a completed refund look stuck in pending status. Next, check if your Klover app is fully updated. Outdated versions can show delayed or incorrect transaction statuses. If the refund has been pending for a while, sign out of the app and sign back in. That forces a full refresh of your account data and can update delayed transactions. If you recently filed a dispute or chargeback, that can extend refund timelines significantly. In those cases, the refund depends on both merchant processing and bank review. Avoid contacting support too early unless the refund clearly exceeds normal processing time. Most pending refunds are caused by merchant-side delays, not issues inside Klover. If nothing changes, contact Klover support with the transaction date, merchant name, and refund amount. To sum it up, check the original transaction status, confirm merchant processing, refresh your app data, and verify your bank sync. Next, give the refund time to fully clear before escalating the issue. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Klover tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.